Hello everyone, welcome back. I quickly wanted to show you how I transformed a jean jacket that my sister gave me that she no longer wanted into a Beauty and the Beast inspired jacket. What I used is some fabric paint, and this jacket already had roses and leaves embroidered. So I kind of just went over it and colored them in with the red and the green. I grabbed a piece of paper and I drew my dome. I cut it out and placed it on top of the jacket, outlined it with my black fabric paint. I also wrote in "A Tale as Old as Time," which is part of the movie, and it's just one of my favorite phrases. I had purchased a rose iron-on that would fit perfectly with this jacket. I ironed it on, did an additional iron-on in the front, and it was finished. It looked really cute. It was really inexpensive to make and one of a kind. Everybody was asking about it at the Disneyland Resort. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.